Welcome to Brainy Kids TV, where we dive into the colorful world of fruits. Hi kids, I'm Zara, and I'm here to introduce you to all kinds of yummy, colorful fruits. Class of Spelling. Are you ready to meet our fruity friends and learn something new? Let's get started. Hi kids, I'm an apple. I'm round and usually red, green, or yellow. I'm sweet and crunchy, and I keep the doctor away. Can you spell my name? It's A-P-P-L-E. Apple! Hello everyone! I'm a banana, I'm long and yellow, and I taste sweet and creamy. Monkeys love me, and so will you. Let's spell my name together. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Hi friends! I'm a strawberry. I'm red and heart-shaped, with tiny seeds on my surface. I'm sweet and delicious. My name is a bit longer, but let's spell it together. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y.